Hi, girly pops. Okay, for this video, I am going to be asking Pratham uncomfortable questions. Basically, what you would be very afraid to ask your own boyfriend, and he didn't want to make this video with me at all because he's very camera shy.
I'm not camera shy, I just don't like it.
Okay, he just doesn't like it. Completely opposite of me. But I have, I put a story and there are a lot of questions. And then that's it. Alright? Don't drive so fast also, my camera is moving so much. Are you ready to get cancelled?
Shut up. You have to cut out a lot. I'm telling you right now, the terms and conditions are, you have to cut out whatever I ask you to.
Okay.
You might get like 5 minutes of content, but it's fine.
Okay. Got it, girl. Does skin color really matter when you're dating a girl? You have to be honest, okay? Be honest, girl.
That depends on if you are into looks or personality. I mean,
Aren't all guys into looks only, sorry? Isn't
I'm
everybody?
sure there are some guys.
Just be honest, you have to be honest.
Yeah, I'm sure there are some guys out there that are actually into personality.
But does skin color matter? Not from your perspective,
from a generalized perspective,
yeah. Everything should be from a general guys, because you know how boys are and we don't.
you tell me how nice I have to be.
You don't have to be nice at all, just be honest.
I don't think skin color matters.
Actually?
Yeah.
Promise?
I promise, yeah. I don't think it matters, it's fine, personality.
I think you're lying.
No, for real.
Okay. Why do guys love bomb in the...
I mean, even dark skinned girl could look
nice.
pretty.
It's fine. Listen, you can say it, I won't get mad.
Yeah, fine.
I promise.
Saying, yeah.
Okay.
Jealousy is like an additional stress, that you...
I won't get mad, I promise. Any of the questions you can say anything, I won't get mad. Okay? Why do guys change after 3 months?
Change all their clothes.
Change, imagine you're dating somebody and after 3 months they show their real colors.
Because they put on a show to trap them in the first place.
Yeah.
Yeah, so after 3 months they're like, okay fine, she's pretty, she's in already, so I don't have to
Put any effort.
play the act anymore. Yeah. All manipulation.
Okay. Do guys also think of their girlfriends in the fake scenarios like girls do?
Yeah, I'm sure some guys do, yeah. I mean, if you really like the girl
or whatever. Okay. What do you notice first in a girl?
Yes.
Good. And then ass and titties.
Can't expose me like that.
No, not you. No, it's not you. It's from imagine that you're talking on behalf of all your friends.
There are different kind of guys, right? Some guys like thighs, some guys like feet.
But they can't see feet. No, first thing, imagine that a girl comes in front of you. You're single. What's the first thing you'll notice in her? Face. Alright. Okay. What's your red flag? One thing that will just make you be okay, I will not be with this girl. Not you, any guy.
A red flag.
Yeah, a red flag in a girl.
If she has too many guy friends. Any guy friend.
If she has any guy friends. He said that he doesn't want a relationship with me right now.
Are you using a mic?
No. Okay. He said that he doesn't want to be in a relationship with me right now, but something can happen in the future. Is he just fooling me or genuinely just not ready?
Once I was you have to repeat.
Okay.
I think he's genuinely not ready. I mean, it's... Yeah, you might not be sure.
Okay.
But, I mean, how long did you say the duration was?
I didn't say
months.
anything.
Did you say
That was some other question. Basically, imagine a guy just says that no, I can't be with you right now. I'm not ready. So is he actually not ready or is he just fooling?
No, I think in most cases they're not ready.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think that's not true.
No,
What if
because
they
girls also have their skin, right? Few months down the relationship they shed their skin and I don't know.
Okay.
Say
Alright.
too much.
Okay. Do boys really want a skinny fit girl always?
I mean, I think it's personal preference. Me, yeah.
Okay.
If you were asking.
Okay. What if a girl makes the first move?
Then it's crazy.
Is it good or bad? Like, would you be with a girl and like, would you get into a relationship with a girl who makes the first move?
Yeah, but then I'd wake up after that. Like, it doesn't happen.
So like when I manifested you, okay, but my first move was
Like the girls who make the first move are usually like.
ugly. Is it really annoying when girls take too long to get ready?
Yeah, obviously, unless you have something else to keep yourself busy during.
Like if you're gaming and then I'm getting
Yeah,
ready.
if
It's
you
fine.
drink or like
Okay. What's something you'd like all women to realize about men?
nice people.
Be honest, Pratham.
I'm being honest, yeah, and we're very honest. Like, we never lie. Whatever we're telling you is the truth. Like, guys don't gaslight. Not people gaslight.
Are you mad? Guys gaslight so much.
No, that's what y'all like suspect us, like, suspected for gaslighting, but we're not gaslighting, just being honest.
Okay. What do guys think about showing affection like PDA?
That's
Nasty, right?
yeah,
How can you tell if a guy is just simply not interested in you?
I don't wanna, like, fucking be a snitch and, like, give y'all
No, just
all
like
the secrets. No.
one thing you can say like
What was the question?
how can a girl know that the guy is just not interested in her?
He's not like committing, I would say, unless he's like
Gay.
most guys and like he fakes a commitment.
Okay.
Said I love you and shit and then left.
Three more questions. Three more questions.
You can meet her as well.
Yeah. Why do guys cheat? What goes inside their head?
They're recording for the vlog.
No. Yeah.
Maybe either they're bored. Yeah, I think it's usually because they're bored.
The guys that cheat on their girls don't love them anymore, right? Or do they love somebody and they can
They
say
could love them and still.
cheat?
Yeah, it's tough, but I mean personally I wouldn't, but
Yeah. Never get over their first love.
not really.
Yeah.
I feel like it's
It stays like you still love that girl.
no, you obviously don't love her anymore, but like
The effects stay.
not the effect, like it's still a core part of your memory.
Like you won't be able to forget it, right? Like
Not yeah, like it's like
the first time you
yeah,
fall in love.
it's a core memory. That's it.
Okay.
It's not like you still have feelings or anything. You won't even like you like probably forget about her also, but if you ever remember it,
Okay. Guaranteed sign that a guy is into you.
he's like putting in a lot of time,
To chill with you.
money, and effort to yeah.
Okay. Another common question is who should pay on the first date?
The guy asks her out, then definitely the guy. But like usually the guy at least has to like offer like
Not wait for the girl.
insist on paying.
And then they
But-
can split also.
Yeah, it's fine if they split only if like the girl asks him out.
Okay. The last question is, does past matter? The past of the girl.
Yeah.
Okay, that was period, bitch.
Yeah, it does. I mean, if she's been around the block, then
Okay.
she can get in.
Okay. Related to this, it's my personal question.
Yeah.
The guys that have girl best friends,
Yeah.
do they want to fuck them or not?
The guys that have girl best friends,
Even though they're in a relationship.
not necessarily.
But they always like tell me, like according to me, I think that a guy who has a girl best friend, like once in their life they would have a crush on that girl. That's true or not?
Not a crush, but maybe they wouldn't be down to smash.
They would be.
They would be down to crash now. They wouldn't mind smashing.
Okay. I think that was it. Whoop.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you for being in my video and being so interested in it. Okay, can you look at the camera once and smile? Wow. Okay, I hope I answered your question. There were like 500 questions and I tried to like narrow them down and shut up. And that's it. If you have any more questions, then I don't think he will answer. Because
Ask her brother or something.
I'll probably have to ask my brother because before like filming this video, I think I risked my relationship trying to like film this video. Right?
Yeah, you pretty much did. I told you I hate you and stuff.
He said that like he would hate me if I like record him because he hates the camera. But it is what it is. Anyway, I hope you like this video, and that's it. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Say like, share, subscribe to my girlfriend's channel. You won't say that from me, you don't.
Like, share, subscribe to my girlfriend's channel.
Say my girlfriend's so pretty.
My girlfriend's so pretty.
Bye.